American 1984, 13 descending to the Hyder 1, we have info Alpha.
American 1984, Phoenix Approach, good evening, you'd like runway 8?
Yeah, we'll do 8.
American 1984, roger, expect vectors to the runway 8 localizer for the visual approach 8.
Expect vectors for 8, American 1984.
American 1984, fly present heading, join the runway 8 localizer, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 6,000.
This current heading will intercept the runway 8 localizer, American 1984.
American 1984, the Phoenix Airport, 12 o'clock, 20 miles, do you have it in sight?
Insight, American 1984.
American 1984, cleared, visual approach, runway 8.
Visual 8, American 1984.
American 1984, contact tower, 118.7, good night. Good.
American 1984, 9 out for Raymond, runway 8.
American 1984, Phoenix Tower, runway 8, cleared to land.
Clear to land 8, American 1984.
American 1984, taxi eastbound Bravo, hold short Charlie 11 and remain this frequency.
Stand by, please.
American 84, say again, please. American 1984, taxi via Bravo, hold short of Charlie 11, remain this frequency.
Bravo, hold short Charlie 11, remain this frequency, American 1984.
Cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
American maintenance, proceed Charlie to point, proceed Charlie to whatever, the kilo I think you said. Stand by.
Ground, stay with you for American 1984.
American 1984, remain this frequency.
Folks on the flight deck here, waiting on the gate to become available. And it's going to be Alpha 13, which is a little bit behind us. When we passed by, it looks like they were finishing up loading cargo, so hopefully it'll just be 5 more minutes and they'll be calling for push, and then another 5 minutes we'll be taxiing to the gate. We are about 10 minutes early at this point, so probably pulling into the gate right on time. Appreciate your patience. In the meantime, remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Thanks.